So this is my updated resume that I am currently using. One of the biggest banks in Southeast Asia is Malayan Banking Berhad, better known by its former name, Maybank Berhad. On May 31, 1960, Oi Tiong Lee, Khoo Teck Puat and Abdul Aziz Bafayed created it. Menara Maybank is the name of the Maybank headquarters, which are situated in Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia. As CEO and a non-independent executive director for Maybank, Dato' Abdul Farid alias is currently in charge of the bank. For vision, Maybank Berhad had grown into a successful business because of its unwavering dedication to the pursuit of its objectives, as well as the completion of its vision and mission. Maybank's vision is to become the most successful financial institution in all the countries that make up the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, which is ASEAN. This will be accomplished by focusing on the quality of their services and the ethics with which they conduct business in order to meet the needs of their customers. In the meanwhile, its mission is to bring humanity back into the financial services industry. This is a humanitarian endeavor with the goal of qualifying people from a variety of different backgrounds to have access to each financial service as it is their legal right. As a result, Maybank offers its supports to clients by providing them with appropriate terms and prices. They do this because they believe that by making this effort, they will have a trusting affinity with their brand, and they will also be able to serve their consumers on a day-to-day basis. Some of the objectives that Maybank have stood strong to achieve their goals are divided into two, which are internal and external aspects. Internally, Maybank wants to infuse the Tiger ideals into all of its personnel. Its acronym stands for relationship building, teamwork, growth, integrity, and efficiency. Their chances of success are increased by taking consistent action to instill these principles in all of their employees. Offering services that are relevant and equitable to everyone is one of their current external goals, as is opening more branches around the Asian nations. Maybank is able to achieve its goal because of the objectives that are achieved by all of its employees. These goals include having a leading position in driving economic growth across Asian lands and assisting communities that are struggling to develop themselves by providing financial support so that they can expand and participate in socio-economic activities as well as grow their businesses. Maybank also wants to have a leading position in driving economic growth across Asian lands. People will be able to take advantage of possibilities to contribute to the economy as well as shape the future in a way that is beneficial to society if they are located here. Next is organizational structure. As you can see in this picture, we can see that Datuk Karul Saleh Ramli is the Group President and Chief Executive Officer. The group organization structure is divided into 6 groups, which is the first one is business, the second one is function, next is country, the third one is group corporate and legal services, and the next one is group audit, and the last one is group compliance. Maybank Berhad is a financial organization that operates numerous branches in a variety of countries. They provide a comprehensive selection of goods and services throughout all of their offices. For example, investment bank, commercial banking, Islamic banking, offshore banking, leasing and hire purchase, factoring, trustee services, insurance, takaful, asset management, venture capital, and the last one is internet banking. Moving on to training reflection, this industrial training required a span of 24 weeks in total. Therefore, I had reported for the first day of duty on March 1, 2023 and will end on August 15, 2023. So, my working days are from Monday to Friday, where from Monday to Thursday, I will be working at 8:45 a.m. to 5:45 a.m. and on Friday I will be working at from 8:45 a.m. to 4:45 p.m. I've been stationed at CFS Community Distribution Department, and during the whole period, any type of leave is subjected to the company's approval, and every intern was given 6 paid leave, which only 1 paid leave can be claimed per month. As for my roles and responsibility, I have assist customers at the front counter. I also help customers in registering their online banking through Maybank 2U website and walk them through on how to use MME. I also explain to customers in depth about Maybank's product that is suitable according to the customer's lifestyle and needs. Then, there is a lot of skills that I learned and get sharpened throughout this internship period at Maybank Berhad, especially being in this community distribution department. I involved in department that related to customer service, so good communication and comprehension skills are important as I need to communicate a lot and understand the customer needs or question regarding their problem or Maybank's product. So, our customer understands what I am trying to explain to them. Good IT skills are also needed since most of the products applications need to be applied through their Maybank to you website. I also experienced real-world workplace and gained banking sector operation experience. Then we'll be talking about Maybank SWOT analysis, where I laid out Maybank's strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. So, what exactly is Maybank's strengths? The first strength is established brand, where credibility and trust. Maybank's lengthy history and brand reputation as a respectable financial organization inspire credibility and trust among clients, partners, and the public. This trust gives Maybank an edge over its rival in the marketplace. Secondly, customer fidelity. The Maybank brand has a significant market presence and is well known. Customers are therefore more likely to be loyal to the bank, making it less vulnerable to losing them to rivals. The bank has earned customers' loyalty by consistently providing high-quality goods and services over the years. Then, a wide range of goods and services are available. Maybank's reputation goes beyond standard banking functions. With a broad range of financial services and products like investment banking, Islamic banking, insurance, and asset management, Maybank's well-known brands help customers feel as though they are getting complete and dependable financial solutions. In summary, Maybank's well-known brand gives it a competitive edge by inspiring clients' trust, loyalty, and stability, and enabling the bank to capitalize on its good name to increase its product offering and global presence. The second strength is more secure online banking system. So, why exactly more secure online banking system is Maybank's strength? The first one is because fraud prevention. To thwart fraud and unauthorized access, a strong online banking system integrates high-tech security measures. Strong user authentication processes, encryption methods, and ongoing activity monitoring are all part of this. By placing a high priority on security, Maybank can reduce the danger of fraud and safeguard the financial assets of its clients. The second one is data protection. The confidential and accurate handling of customers' data is guaranteed by Maybank's secure online banking platform. Sensitive customer information, including personal information and transaction history, is protected from unauthorized disclosure and alteration by effective data encryption and privacy protection. So, Maybank should invest in technology upgrades, regularly update security precautions, and instruct consumers on safe online banking procedure in order to maintain a robust and secure online banking system. To remain ahead of potential problems, it is also vital to regularly assess and manage new security concerns. Next, we will be talking about Maybank's weaknesses. The first one is slow customer services online. Slow customer services online can cause dissatisfied customers, where long wait times on the customer service queue might make customers angry and frustrated. Customer perception of the bank and its service may be severely impacted when they must wait a long time to have their question answers or problems fixed. Customer loyalty and satisfaction may suffer as a result. The second one is missed business possibilities. Prolonged wait time for customer service responses may lead to lost commercial prospects. Customers may decide to move to rival companies that provide quicker and more attentive customer care if they are unable to quickly obtain assistance or information through the hotline. This may result in Maybank losing out on prospective sales and income. The next one is reduced efficiency. The bank's general efficiency may also suffer from slow customer service responses time. Long wait times for customers on the hotline may cause a backlog of unanswered questions and problems. Client support agents may find it more difficult to efficiently respond to all client inquiries as a result of the increased demand. So, what is the solution? The solution is Maybank should concentrate on enhancing the effectiveness and responsiveness of its customer care hotline in order to remedy this problem. This can be accomplished by taking steps like hiring more customer service agents, putting in place sophisticated cloud call routing systems, offering training to improve service quality and responses time, and using technology to automate some customer care procedures. Maybank can improve its reputation, customer satisfaction, and general competitiveness by putting a high priority on providing excellent customer service. Having homogeneous product sales is also another Maybank's weaknesses. This is because lack of differentiation. Homogeneous products are ones that are identical to or very similar to those sold by rivals. As a result, Maybank might find it difficult to set itself apart from competing banks. Without distinguishing qualities or specific value propositions, it is challenging to draw in and keep clients purely on the basis of products of offering. The second one is price competition. When products are uniform, consumers frequently evaluate prices before making a purchase. This can result in fixed pricing competition amongst banks, which might reduce Maybank's profit margins. Maybank might find it difficult to sustain a competitive edge if it cannot offer pricing that are much lower or give value that goes beyond the product itself. So the solution is, in order to make up for this shortcoming, Maybank should concentrate on broadening its product line and providing distinctive advantages over rivals. Maybank can better draw and keep customers, encourage loyalty, grow into new markets, and remain competitive in the constantly changing banking sector by always innovating and providing value to its product. Then, we will be talking about Maybank opportunities. Digital banking growth is one of Maybank opportunities is because wider customer reach. Digital banking enable Maybank to connect with a wider customer base outside of its network of physical branches. Maybank may reach customers in remote areas and places where it might not have a physical presence by being able to provide banking services online and through mobile apps. The second one is cost effectiveness. Digital banking can assist decrease operational expenses connected with physical branches by streamlining procedures, minimizing paperwork, and increasing efficiency. By boosting self-service choices, Maybank can reduce expenses associated with traditional banking and refocus resources on digital channels, increasing operational effectiveness and potentially saving money. Then, data analytics and customer insight. Maybank may gather and analyze customer data through digital banking to learn important details about consumer behavior, preferences, and needs. By personalizing goods, enhancing the customer experience, and directing targeted marketing initiatives, this data can eventually increase customer engagement and loyalty. In order to take advantage of this prospect, Maybank needs to prioritize customer-centric design and innovation while also making ongoing investment in the infrastructure of digital banking. In order to increase client trust and confidence in its digital banking platform, it needs also maintain strong security measures. Maybank can also find areas for improvement and modify its digital banking services to match changing client expectations by regularly soliciting feedback from and engaging with customers. Secondly, Maybank should allow business owners to have debit cards for their current account to have easiness of cash flow. This is because higher customer satisfaction. Giving business owners debit card gives them easy access to their money for financial activities. They benefit from flexibility and the payment procedure is made easier. Higher client satisfaction and loyalty to Maybank as a banking partner may result from this. Then, improve customer retention. Maybank can improve its relationship with business owners by offering debit cards for business accounts because they can easily manage their business spending and cash flow thanks to the handy features of the debit card. These business clients are more likely to stick with Maybank as their primary banking partner. And next, revenue generation. Transaction fees and other costs related to the use of debit cards are one way that Maybank might make money. This extra source of income has the potential to improve the bank's overall financial performance and profitability. In conclusion, allowing business owners to use debit cards for their business accounts can present Maybank with a number of advantageous prospects, from improved client retention and satisfaction to income generation and cross-selling. Then, we move on to the last section of SWOT, which is threat. The first threat for Maybank is intense competition. Margin compression is one of the factors for intense competition is because pricing pressures are frequently caused by fierce competition. To win over clients, rival businesses may start price wars or provide reduced costs and interest rates. Maybank's profit margin could be impacted since it could have to decrease prices in order to compete. Reduced profitability may result from ineffectively implemented cost-cutting strategies. The second one is customers' attrition. Customers have many options to choose from in a highly competitive market. Maybank runs the danger of losing clients to rivals that provide better deals or more creative solutions if it does not supply competitive products, services, and customer experiences. Maybank may see a decline in market share and revenue as a result of this. So, in order to counterattack this risk, Maybank should prioritize innovation and distinction, always enhancing its goods and services to stand out from the competition. To attract and keep qualified workers, it should also make investment in talent management initiatives. Maybank will be able to navigate the changing regulatory environment with the support of proactive approach to staying informed of and adhering to regulatory changes. The second one is digital banking from non-financial institutions might jeopardize Maybank sales. This is because lower fees and costs. Non-financial institutions can offer digital banking services at lower fees and costs that traditional banks make by utilizing their current business models and infrastructure. Customers who are concerned about prices may find this appealing and decide to use these options instead of Maybank. For its fee schedules and operational expenses to be competitive and profitable, Maybank could need to re-evaluate them. Next, partnership possibilities. Non-financial organizations such as e-commerce platform or telecommunication firms may take advantage of their current client bases and ecosystem to offer financial services that are smoothly integrated into their platforms. By making these services more convenient, clients may choose to use them rather than Maybank. Making strategic alliances and extending its influence into this ecosystem may provide difficulties for Maybank. Then, the solution for Maybank is Maybank should concentrate on digital transformation and customer-centric tactics to reduce this risk and retain revenues. This entails increasing its digital offerings, upgrading the user experience, offering personalized services, and making better use of data analytics to comprehend the needs of customers. For Maybank to remain competitive in the changing world of digital banking, it needs also prioritize innovation, make investment in new technologies, and form strategic alliances. To summarize what has been stated thus far, banking was one of the most difficult and challenging professions. As a banker, you can gain an enormous amount of knowledge and experience, and even become a trainee in the Islamic banking field. The acquired knowledge, lessons, and experiences can help students adapt to their working environment. As a trainee at Maybank Berhad, I was exposed to such a broad range of experiences that I was able to adapt a great deal of what I learned. The experiences that students encounter while working at the bank have a significant impact on their work experiences. The valuable knowledge acquired at Maybank included gaining an in-depth understanding of Maybank's internal system, knowing and comprehending their products from a salesperson perspective, and observing and understanding the various transactions used in the banks. As a matter of fact, we are aware that various Maybank's products and services are beneficial to our lives. However, when we work for Maybank, we were exposed to various products and services that were not widely known, which was one of the most remarkable experiences we had in this company. In conclusion, as a novice student during the industrial training period at Maybank Berhad, students can acquire an abundance of knowledge that aids in their adaptation to the working world. The acquired knowledge can assist students in becoming competent bankers in either conventional or Islamic banking.